create a new button to allow the player to go back to the lobby if they're in the waiting room. So currently, once they go into a waiting room, they're kind of stuck, like they're trapped. There's no way back. The only thing you can do is go forward or refresh the page and you'll go back to the lobby, but that's unintuitive. So let's put a button. Where would be a good spot? I suppose here? Or is that kind of weird? There's 3 buttons going on. Go and maybe a third one or a third one here. No, like that. Maybe. Well, let's close this so we'll get a full view. Okay, maybe just bottom of the page, back to lobby. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we've got the lobby, or what happens here? We've got main, game list, custom modal, forced background, maybe not lobby, game container. And component did update, render, yes. Yes, so this is the waiting room. Okay. I feel like I want to take this out and just put it directly in the lobby. Okay, let's move this over. Let's just close that and then open it up again. Okay, side by side, nice. So instead of doing lobby main, I could forced background. What's happening? Forced background. So forced background, game form, player list. Okay, this is unrelated. How does game container enter the picture? Game container. Oh, okay. So there's, oh, that's if you enter the URL directly, which is broken, that's a separate issue. And what is, oh, it's stories. This is itself. So, wait, what? Let's go back to lobby. Okay. Game list. What happens if you click on, wait, I don't understand. Oh, if you click something, then you get redirected, I think, and then you end up here. So that means URL path render, game in session waiting room. So I think I should do this. Today.count triple equals 0. Then waiting room, I didn't make yet. And it's going to receive more or less the same stuff. Today.count greater than 0. Image source forced png class name forest landscape. So that's a background. And then we have game container. I don't really understand what's going on here. What is forest.png? Maybe not. Yeah. Okay, so that's like the in-game background. Okay. So this should also have today.count greater than 0. And do that. All right. Let's create waiting room. Containers. I would say so. Waiting room container. .tsx. Import React from React. And we export default waiting room container. And then we want const waiting. Okay, there we go. And return whatever was in game container. So if we go to render, we have this. Today player some current player dot name. Oh, so like if you're in this waiting room, then we do this thing. Okay. And let's go over to waiting room container. We don't need the if. Here, we will need this in app. So in app, we had this. We need to add that here. And so we need waiting room, import waiting room container from containers waiting container. And it's no longer a waiting room, but waiting room container. And then waiting room container needs to receive prompts. So let's do this. Okay. And container. You are destructuring. No, you're not destructuring. All right, so I'll destructure. Whoops. Waiting room container. What do we need? Okay. There's 2 returns here. A lot of errors. So we need to destructure history. And current player game history. And container prompts. No. Waiting room container. Hold on. Do I need game list? No, I don't. Error message. And today. order the other files had it. So let's go to game form. Yeah, let's follow this order. So let's go back to waiting room container. Paste that here. Delete this. Okay. Don't need that. We don't need that. Don't need that. Oh, we did need game. Okay. And we need to import stuff. Game player, done. And also, let's see, import background from components background. No. Corresponding, cannot find. Let's go to game container. Alright, so basically these three. And message container. Slash message container. And missing today. So let's put today here. Okay, now go back to app. Oh, today is a day. And we could pull it out from here, but app needs to change. Let's do side by side. Okay, so we want current player, don't care about, oh, we do have set current player. Do we use it? Not particularly, goodbye. So that can go. Oh God, what just happened? So that can go. Current player game, set game, goodbye. Instead of set game, we want today. And this socket, nice. History, nice. Error message, nice. What is this? Let's open app here. And what is it? Error. Today.count, some player, and waiting room. Current player. So this is not closing, it looks like. Where's the closing bracket here? Nowhere. Okay. So up until where does this error out? Let's remove that. That should close. Okay, that's fine. And put it in front here. Okay, problem solved. How does this work? No, it doesn't. Okay. Waiting room container. Looks okay. No, it is okay. I guess it was lagging. Okay, here we go. So that was just a refactor. What was I trying to do? Waiting room needs back to lobby button, right? So let's go ahead and add that here. I want game container button lobby. Back to lobby div. Yes. Okay. So basically, this thing. Maybe I could turn that into a shared component. ID class name, game and session waiting room. Okay. Role, image, area label, title, onClick. Nah, it's not ready to be a shared component. I think I could delete this. I don't need a class name. Okay. I'll just copy that. Go over here. Paste that. Leave game, it would be to lobby. ID, go back to go back to lobby, go back to lobby, back to lobby. And it's over there. Okay, so I gotta style it. So let's global search that. Here we go. This is probably what we want. So instead of game container, we need waiting room container. And we gotta create waiting room container SCSS. Waiting room container. Go back to lobby button. And we will need to import this in app SCSS. Import /containers waiting room container SCSS. Okay, and then game container SCSS. Anything that refers to a waiting room? Nothing. Good. Okay. Let's take a look. Well, the button works, but it doesn't look the way we want it to. So inspect that. We are inside of lobby waiting room. Oh. Waiting room container SCSS. So I want to call it waiting room container, but everything in there is container, except for lobby. Yeah, let's just call it waiting room. Rename. Okay. So global search that. And we're just going to replace all. Case sensitive. Oh, you're the only one. Then I'm just going to delete that. And then caps. Okay. So we're going to replace all for waiting room container. You will just be waiting room. Done. All right. Refresh. Create. And boom. Back to the lobby. Looks weird. Let's make sure our game still works. So, all right. That looks fine. Leave game is supposed to be thin text. And padding is weird. All right, so let's take a look at this padding. display flex, align items center. Okay. Font 8 300. Not quite. Let's open up the in-game view and look at the CSS layer. Oops, I need to click that actually. Why did I do it? Go. That looks so much cleaner. So, what's happening? Color black margin auto font style font weight 400. Alright, this is the stuff. Font style normal. How can I just take all of that? Okay, nice. And paste that here. Delete that. Variant font weight. Line height, area white margin. Okay. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Oh, that is not better. Okay, so what's happening? Color text secondary. What is primary? Nothing changed. Okay, let's leave it. Margin auto settings, font variant, font style. I assume that should be as is. Let's take that out. Padding cursor, background color. Okay. Oh, color white. Margin block. Comment that out. Right. Back to where we were. I think it's stroke. At lost it. At include. No stroke. Yes. Should be 0. There we go. Much better. And the other thing is adding. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so we want padding maybe just tiny instead of 1/2. Okay, that looks better. Yeah, much better. And then line item should come back. Line item center. Didn't do anything. So we have a div that has display flex with a p tag. Okay. I feel like it should be centered based off of what I'm seeing, but it's not. Display flex align items center padding tiny background color margin auto. There's a lot going for it. It's just not working. Line height, font size. Do I need this? Yeah, it looks the same. So don't need that. I mean, like, just having display flex and margin auto should have did it. Padding tiny. What is happening here? Let's play around here. Display align self center. Okay. Wait, there's some weird padding. What is that? It looks like it is centered, but it's getting cut off. Interesting. Okay. Let's do margin for position. Absolute. Yeah, okay, here we go. So it was getting cut off for some reason. So let's remove that. And let's just do the index 100. Nope, it's just getting cut off. Let's inspect. Waiting room has some padding 40. I think that's what it is. So if we go to lobby, oh, actually, as a matter of fact, let's go back to waiting room. And this should actually be position absolute 0, bottom 0. Okay, that's not where I expected to go. What in the heck? Lobby waiting room. What is this? Lobby waiting room. Lobby waiting room. Is there dupes? I feel like there is, yeah. So, lobby. Main. Da da da. Okay. I think app. Yeah, there's dupes. So maybe just get rid of this. Class name. Yeah. Bye. Oh wait. Undo, undo, undo. I need to lobby, but not the other thing. Uh-oh. That looks weird. Uh-oh. Broke it. Undo. Game session waiting room. Why does that affect the main room though? I feel like it shouldn't. And in addition to that, what if waiting room, I removed the class name here. Oh, what? It's just not right. Okay, undo that. Still not right. What did I change? Oh. That's unrelated. That's unrelated. Game container, I deleted the waiting room. I deleted this class name. Does that matter? Oh wait, but that's just for the button. And that's new. That's basically cut and paste. So wait a second. That tab was just weird. All right, well, let's close that tab. And we'll work with this one. And then let's go back to this. I think I could delete this. Although it would make more sense to delete from app. Okay, so we can totally delete that. Maybe even go a step further and delete that. Yeah, it was nested. Okay, so let's go in game. Whoa. Yikes. What just happened? That looks very broken. Okay. Inspect. We have a div force background game container. Maybe I need to put lobby back. No. Oh snap. Lobby game container. Background. Uh-oh. Perhaps we will not mess with that. Oh, yeah, okay. Wow, that it's strangely put together. I will look into that at another time. It's late, I'm quite tired. So we solved our button problem. Maybe let's move it up a little bit. Let's go to waiting room SCSS instead of 00. We could do, how is rules being placed? I'll just copy that. So we're using padding. No, we're not. That's not right. Gameplay button. Bottom 2, right 1. Okay. So bottom 2 and left 1. There we go. Maybe instead of saying back 2, we could just have a return arrow. Waiting room. Lobby. Do I have an image of an arrow somewhere? Art. Components. Art. No. Public, yes. Icons. I have this arrow. That's not quite what I'm going for. Yeah, that's not what I'm looking for. Maybe an emoji could do the trick. Turn. Okay. Arrow. Okay. Which one do I want? I'm gonna go with that one. No, that looks too bulky. Oh, that looks better. Yeah, I like you. All right, save that. And a dog. Reasonable. Yeah, I'm happy with it. The other thing would be, why are they? Oh, I use position absolute. That should be position fixed. Waiting room. Position fixed. Okay, that's better. So rules also. Gameplay button here should be fixed. Okay, going game, and nice. So that's a wrap. Okay, add that feature. Yes, lobby. Waiting room. Push. Close number 203. And let's create an review. Fix the update. Created that one. Importing a new thing. To make count 0, then we greater than 0, then we have game container. Otherwise, we have waiting room, which is more or less cut and pasted. And then, yep, we cut it from here. We are removing class name, game and session, waiting room, go back to lobby button. Oh, because, they're different buttons now, so that's not relevant. Waiting room has its own go to lobby button. This is our new waiting room, and that's it. Makes sense. That's a wrap. Okay, and these are all checked out. Merge, confirm merge, done. Thanks for watching, and if you had any questions, then just comment below. I'll try my best to answer them. Also, if you like this video, then remember to hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll see you in the next one.